7 Benefits of Chia Seeds. Chia seeds are a nutrient-dense food that has many potential health benefits. Here are some of the key benefits of chia seeds. High in fiber. Chia seeds are a good source of dietary fiber, which can help promote regular bowel movements, support digestive health, and lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, chia seeds are one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and support brain function. Source of antioxidants. Chia seeds are a good source of antioxidants, which can help protect against cellular damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. May aid in weight loss. Chia seeds can absorb water and form a gel-like substance in the stomach, which can help increase feelings of fullness and reduce calorie intake, potentially aiding in weight loss. May help regulate blood sugar. Chia seeds may help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce insulin resistance, which can lower the risk of type 2 diabetes. May improve bone health. Chia seeds are a good source of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which can help promote bone health and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Versatile and easy to add to the diet. Chia seeds are easy to incorporate into the diet and can be added to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, salads, and baked goods, making them a convenient and healthy addition to any diet. It's important to note that more research is needed to fully understand the health benefits of chia seeds and to determine the optimal amounts for health benefits. Thanks for watching.